Ways that Christians can restore true worship in Kenya.
So, condemning modern forms of idolatry, being honest in giving information, life of prayers, helping the poor and the weak and the vulnerable, upholding the truth of the Bible, condemn evils, preaching about the true God. Outline Prophet Amos' teaching on social justice and responsibility.
Nguyo. Victoria. You've not? No, I'll leave there, whatever.
Operation of the week and the by taking care of harvest, from funds, enforced to borrow money from rich with high interest, selling sentence and the slavery where the poor were unable to pay the debt, they were made to work as slaves, judging for corrupt and unjust, they took rights and good speech from the heavy fines imposed on the innocent, cheated on business by tampering with the fund and weighing skills that customers would like amount they would pay for. Social morality and temple constitution of spending the advances was involved in the Israel. Amos was accused of ignorance, accused Israel for breaking God's commandments by worshiping in the Lord. Oppression of the poor. The people of Israel sold the poor for silver, a pair of shoes, misuse of garments taken as slave, corruption and bribery. Legal injustices were taking place in the court of law, and they took bribes and imposed heavy fines on the innocent. Greed or excessive luxury. We condemn the rich for being selfish and greedy. Self-indulgence and forces of security. Cheating in business, they tampered with weighing scales, overcharged on goods that were sold. Robbery and violence, there was disintegration of the rule of law, idolatry. The Israelites worshipped other gods and broke the commandments of God. Sexual immorality or temple prostitution, the Israelites had agreed to pagan practice of prostitution in the places of worship, widespread sexual immorality in Israel. Drunkenness, Nazarites were forced to drink excessive water. Explain 4 differences between Old Testament prophets and traditional African prophets.
Kairuthi. Bernard. Celestine.
The Old Testament prophet was appointed and received power from God, while traditional African prophets received power from inheritance. The Old Testament prophets were rejected by their own people, while traditional African prophets worshipped gods. Prophecies of the Old Testament prophets were preserved in writing form, while in the traditional African prophecies were passed through oral tradition. The Old Testament prophets performed miracles to support their prophecies, while traditional African prophets did not.
Very good.
Old Testament prophets were born and received their powers from God, while traditional African prophets received their powers through inheritance and from the spirits. Old Testament prophets were both teachers and preachers who taught people about God's will and gave sermons, while traditional African prophets confined themselves predictions and warnings. Old Testament prophets did not practice divination, whereas some traditional African prophets were diviners. Some Old Testament prophets had an idea of glorious Messiah, whereas traditional African prophets did not have any concept of the Messiah. Old Testament prophets stressed monotheism, the worship of only one true God, whereas some African traditional prophets recognized and worshipped many gods and goddesses. Old Testament prophets had their prophecies recorded and preserved in written form, while traditional African prophets had their prophecies preserved and passed on through oral tradition. How do Christians play the role of prophets today?
Caro.
They continue to preach the word of God. They continue to the word of God. They continue calling people to repentance. They tell people to go from their sins.
Lucy.
By living prayerful lives, by living exemplary and holy lives, helping the needy, by condemning all forms of evil, preaching the gospel, guiding and counseling people on various issues, interceding for others before God, by being consequent, by giving messages of hope, by participating in serving matters. So next question. Stage 6 frequent acts used by Jeremiah to teach about judgment and punishment. Phyllis. Sawa. Wearing of yoke, buying new linen with clothes and hiding it in places of the rock. Jeremiah was not to marry. The reworking and remolding of the vessel by potter, by breaking of hardened flask before the elders. He was shown two baskets of figs, one with good figs and another one with bad figs. Give 7 reasons why Jeremiah carried out religious reforms in Judah.
Young girl. Christine. Grace.
To preserve the identity of Jewish people, to protect Jews from foreign influence, to purify the temple which has been defiled by foreigners, to restore the services of priests and Levites, to restore tithing system for the upkeep of the temple, to ensure Sabbath is free from business activities, to restore true worship of God, to cleanse Jews who had intermarried with foreigners. What lessons do Christians learn from the renewal of the covenant by Nehemiah?
Joan. Henry. Lesson from the renewal of the covenant by Nehemiah. Next. Mary. Next. Carol. Kelly. Jambi. Scholar. Immaculate.
Christians should seek God's forgiveness. Christians should live a righteous life. Christians should lead a prayerful life. Children should lead a humble life. Christians should teach others about the word of God. Christians should set aside a day of worship. Christians should respect places of worship. Christians should share with the needy.